Hi guys, this is Felter 342 here. Yep, this is the man behind the mask. Surprised to hear my voice? I bet it ain't too appealing to the ear, huh? Oh well, what can you do? Um, so anyway, oh boy, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, right. First of all, if you guys have been wondering why I've put up the Act 1 and 2 tutorial for you, it's because I realized that some guy and asked me how to make the videos. Why, I don't know. I just couldn't ignore a fellow man in need because I'm that kind of man with a conscience. But then again, I wonder if my kindness would ever be returned someday. Well, I'm still trying to think of words. This is my first time using a microphone. Um, um, how have your lives been lately? I haven't been making Pubey videos because I have been working hard at high school. You see, I'm worried about my grade, unlike most folks I know. Some of the kids need to grow a spine these days, I swear. I mean, they don't even act like seniors, for crying out loud. And it's embarrassing. But what can you do, I suppose? Well, try not to think much of my voice. This is just really, what I sound like. Just wanted to say hi to you in a different method rather than just text. But of course, this might be the only time I get to do this until I can get a microphone or something. Well, it's been nice talking to you too. So, yeah, later.